Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've got some cash sitting in your Apple Wallet and you want to move it over to Cash App, there isn't a direct send button between the two. But there's two incredibly easy workarounds to get the job done. So the fastest way to do this is by using the Cash App's built-in Apple Pay support to pull the funds directly. So open your Cash App, go to the Money tab in the bottom left corner, and tap Add Cash. Type in the exact amount you want to bring over and hit Add. When the payments menu pops up from the bottom of your screen, instead of your linked debit card, select Apple Pay as your funding source. Then double-click your side button to confirm with your Face or Touch ID. Then guys, if you want to push money out of Apple Cash specifically and into Cash App for free, you can link Cash App as your destination bank. So you open your Cash App, tap your balance and copy your routing and account numbers, which are issued by the Sutton Bank. Next, open your iPhone's Wallet app, tap your Apple Cash card, and click the three dots in the corner and select Transfer to Bank. Type in your amount and select 1 to 3 business days free option. Tap Add Bank Accounts. Paste your Cash App routing and account numbers and confirm. And the funds will clear directly into your Cash App balance, typically by the next morning. That is it. Now you have the tutorial and you know how to do it. If this helped, make sure to subscribe to the channel.